All right, so for those of you who might have an open concept stair, it's not a box stringer, and you have a left side open or a right side open or both sides, these attachments, these end pieces of hardwood for these stair treads are perfect to attach. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put them on the ends after you clean cut the end, and you're gonna glue them and nail them in place. You can use a pin nailer, or you can just clamp them and get them to grab. Now, the way I would do it, they're already cut perfectly to length, is that I would glue and clamp them. So I'm gonna show you how my method works on installing these. So we're gonna give it a block sand on the end to make it nice and smooth and flat. The block sand is gonna get rid of that broken edge look. And then we're gonna test fit our piece here so it looks like a clean seam. Okay, we want our fronts to be flush and our tops to be flush, so that's the key. So right now we're gonna put our glue on that. Okay, glue on both surfaces, that way you get better adhesion. Smear the glue because we want to have as little spill out as possible. If you have squeeze out with glue, make sure you have a damp rag and you can wipe it up. If you don't have a 50-inch clamp, you can always join two clamps together. Flip it over and you can check here that we got a little bit of squeeze out. Take that damp rag and we just give it a little wipe. There's no glue. Edges feel nice and flush. The front is nice and flush. Give it a tightening in the clamp. We can let these set for about an hour, take it off, give it a light sand here, and then what we can do is we can do a soft sand on the block on the nose here, just like this. And that will make that surface seem flush and clean, and it looks really nice. And that'll give you a perfect return on your stair.